What's up, you guys? It's Selena with Savvy Biz Tips. Okay, so we are going to talk about all the great features of Microsoft OneNote. So I am in Microsoft OneNote and I love it. It is great for me as far as organization, as far as organizing my files and organizing my meetings. I actually have several notebooks over here on the left-hand side. You can actually create notebooks and add notebooks and start to take notes with different types of tabs. So here are the different types of tabs in the Selena notebook. All right, so within these tabs, I have quick notes that I've used previously. So let's talk about how we can utilize it with organization and meetings. So the very first thing that I want to point out, if you are running a meeting, you want to go ahead over here and click on either Simple Meeting Notes 1, Simple Meeting Notes 2. So if we click on the Meeting Notes 1, it actually has a title, an agenda, attendees, action items. I think that this is just superb when it comes to virtual meetings. You guys know you want to make sure you have an agenda. You want to make sure you take account of who's present, and you want to make sure you take account of those action items. So this quick template is amazing to use if you are running meetings. Another great thing that I want to point out that you can do on this right side here, I can add a page, right? So I did describe the meetings and the different types that they have. And again, I went on page templates. There are several that you can choose from. The one I chose was 1 and 2, and they're actually here. So if I'm on demo, let's say, and I didn't want to necessarily use this template, a quick tool that you can use, and you're taking notes, let's say you need to describe a process to a coworker. You can click on record a video and actually start recording yourself, guys, recording yourself doing whatever you need to do and sharing it in this meeting notebook, right? So I'm in the notebook, Selena's notebook, I'm in demo, and I just clicked on record a video and voila. I love this. So right there, that's the video. It's actually going to make sure it's notated here with the time, the date. Again, great features of Microsoft OneNote. So we're going to go back, and what we can do we're right here at the top, we can transcribe that same meeting. Yeah, we can actually write down notes from that meeting that we just did. So I think that that is a great feature of Microsoft OneNote. The fact that you can just record a video and then have it in that same folder, that's just clutch. All right, another great thing that I love that you can do is you can record not just video, audio. Explain to someone a process or a procedure that they need to have done and put it in the Microsoft OneNote. So this feature is amazing if you just need to send out quick little notes or need to refer back to notes, right? This is a great organization tool. Let's stop that there. And then from that same audio, again, here's the audio timestamps and everything, we can transcribe it. Again, just like we did with the video, we can do it here. We can transcribe this same audio. And I think that this is cool. This is amazing that you can do this. So I can save it, or I can go here to have it transcribed. So I love this about Microsoft OneNote. It is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Again, that's why I clicked to transcribe. Let's go back. We can go to insert. We can transcribe again and see. So you can go ahead and add it, put it here, and it'll start to transcribe the same audio that we just did. I mean, come on now. Whoever is doing this, they need to keep doing it, because making things simple and easy for people who keep up with a lot of things is one of the best things that you can do. Again, so moving back to the transcribing. So I just recorded myself, and then it creates which speaker, y'all, do y'all see this, was talking. Like if you are not using Microsoft OneNote to utilize and organize your business, your life, you are sorely missing out. Y'all need to check out Microsoft OneNote. It is one of the best features that